should be could also be less, or do you think you can increase the waiting time, but the quality of service should also be exponentially increased? What do you prefer?
I prefer is good service first of all.
Good service.
Always nothing good.
The waiting time and nothing else.
Nothing else. I think. Yeah.
Do you think?
My cousin is in ICU. Yeah, so it's okay. Good service. Very good service.
Very good service.
And ma'am, do they provide like 24/7 care, like hospitality?
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you faced any problem here, like any issue?
No.
No, like any issue with the doctors, like
No. It's a good service.
Very good.
Very good service. But I feel I want more one consult. Per day, one consult for doctors. Morning or from 10 to 12. That time only. I need more than times for doctor consult.
Requires like good food and checkups. Other than
I don't know.
It is
So
even
only emergency, no, hospital is
anything.
very low.
If you want to add something, it will be no consultation.
Yeah, that's one. Otherwise,
Sir, you something, anything you want to add in this? Everything is good.
my husband. He's my
Oh.
husband.
Income and make a temple appointment for the first thing you can register it. And first to make as usual like
what if you get delayed like in the process, like you come like late?
so that they don't have because of a coming period, coming day because they don't take a big percentage. They give appointments for us. At least a reasonable time is being considered.
Like it's like good in the review or reasonable time.
Maybe 1 hour. 1 hour late is fine.
Have you faced any problem here, like any? Have you faced any problem like in the service or any like treatment?
Not in the service, not. We haven't faced, but the only thing is cost is expensive when compared to
it's very
other
expensive.
hospitals, yeah, especially CMC. But hospitality wise and the hygiene wise, because I feel hygiene is more important in hospitals,
Assuming it's very
especially.
important.
And also it's not that much crowded and it's been systematized, they have separate floors for the OP and pediatric OP or the other outpatient department, they have separate floors. Even though in other hospitals they have separate floors, I feel they are very much crowded for everywhere and they don't feel good because during COVID, I got pregnant, so it was everything wrong. So that's why we are still continuing here. Especially for hygiene concern, I just switched from the hospital. That's the only reason. More than hospitality,
Time management of the hospital.
Yeah, it's good. The time when we schedule the appointment, no? In an hour or so, basically the complete everything is done. The pharmacy is done. Sometimes we feel pharmacy there is too much crowded.
Oh, okay.
So sometimes we feel more people or token system should be
There's a mob.
Yeah, so token system or automated system should be
that's
there. We have to wait or we have to come in person and check what is status, whether the medicine is ready. So the billing is in that counter and then we need to pay here and we get the medicine.
So you feel like
It's a bit chaos.
you should feel like it should be more
automated or processed one.
Oh, okay.
So our patients or the attendants feel hard for it manually they will go bill here. Which counter should it be? So here also people will be waiting, here also people will be waiting. There is no such odd board kind of thing.
Okay. So you want easier navigation also. So what would you like? Like there should be more waiting time, but better quality of service from the doctors. Or do you want less waiting time and a little less quality of service from the doctors?
What should be good? That cannot be. We cannot
Even if
compromise on
waiting
the
time
waiting
is
period is
sacrifice.
sacrifice, or we are okay with the waiting time.
But the quality of
quality
service,
of the
that should be
service
compromised.
shouldn't be compromised.
Yes.
Shouldn't be compromised.
Okay. So how important do you think the timeline for the appointment is? Like do you think the timing like 7 to 10 is better, or this timing, the other timing? Or do you think it should be 24/7? Because I just heard now Sunday is closed.
Outpatient, it's okay. For outpatient is not that emergency. If there is an emergency, people would reach to the emergency. So outpatient is fine. The doctors need some break time. They don't have medical patient. So in my opinion, it's okay if outpatient is not serving on Sundays.
Okay. And did you think that like waiting times or delays affect your mood or something? Like sometimes you have to any clinic. Will you imagine if you are waiting for a long time, did it affect your mood? Like you have to, obviously.
It will obviously it will affect us. But the service is good, or we are out of that. If we are, why we come for hospital? No, we'll be in some necessity.
At the end, the service matters.
The service matters. The service is good and we are sorted out. Then we tell you, okay, fine.